citation, again, why citations are important? It is also because you need evidence for your research. Basically, for evidence and to avoid plagiarism, we use citation. Understanding citation, I don't know. I have heard this word as citation, not citation. We cite things, but it is called citation, I guess. A citation is a potential parameter to determine linkage between research articles. What you did, what do you want to do, that relationship between them. A citation is a way you tell your readers that certain material in your work came from another source. It means not only you are telling this, others also told this. It gives your readers the information necessary to find the locations, detail of the sources on your reference or works cited page. It means if somebody is very much intrigued by your work and they want more citations on that, more work on that, they can actually follow your bibliography, and they can find out that okay, he wrote this and I can read more about it. Okay, so that is how it helps people get more information about the thing. Significance, so it shows that you have done the proper research and you are a responsible scholar, so that you are acknowledging others ideas, that you are not saying that I have written them. Even if you are writing it in your word, you are avoiding the plagiarism. And to allow reader to track down the sources you used by citing them accurately in your paper by the way of footnotes, a bibliography or reference list. We call it footnotes, bibliography, reference, all. We can call it anything. I guess there is nothing that you have to understand too much. Need of citation.
Need of citation. When you use words, thoughts, ideas, etc. of someone else, when you direct quote, when you paraphrase, when you use or reference an idea or thought that has already been expressed, when you make any reference to another source, when another's ideas, words, or thoughts have influenced your writing and research.
So, anyways, if you have used somebody else's words, else's material, you have to give citation. That is the only idea which they are talking about. Okay, a citation is also considered as an indicator of analyzing different aspects like allocating research funds, ranking the journals, ranking the researchers, finding the research topic. These are talking about the time when people are getting paid to write the research paper. Okay, because in experimentative research, people need funds. They write a proposal, they get funds, then they start the research. Then they also see what the journal is ranking. If the researcher is ranking with their journal, find the research topics, how they're finding the research topic and finding the latest research trend. Like these days, people do book readings, but somewhere they are less, and search engines are more responsible for the research. Okay, because you can find direct topic or keyword wise citations from the people, right? Ranking of institute and ranking of countries, that also makes sense when you are doing this research paper. I guess this is something you don't have to do right now. This is when you write for the people who pays you, then it is needed. Because if people are paying and then you are not doing the right research, that's a problem.